Going through. Oh yeah!
Hey, we need to tighten that before it pops off. Do that for the other side.
What's that?
You gotta get the tension.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey! Alright, Nick, I'm just spitting out the bottom of this thing now. If you look right here as I'm pumping the grease, this tension is coming back out.
Yeah,
so I'm tighten the track down.
Told you this is what was going to happen. You could measure that thing. I think that was on.
Nope. Yep. Pull the tab. This thing ain't wanting to lock. That's good. That's jelly right there. Yeah. Or is it raspberry jam? No, it's
I like raspberry jam.
what is it they do at Thanksgiving?
Oh, yams.
No.
Things.
Cranberry sauce.
Yeah.
It's cranberry sauce. Green. Look how big a gap we've got now.
You like big gaps?
And I cannot lie. Well, the brothers can't deny.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby.
Just roll. Getting caught here.
Move me, baby!
That was way easier than the last one. Woohoo! You just need 35 people yelling at you for a minute.
Right. You the man, Toby. You the man.
I think we'll have a great week this week. Weather looks good. Working on the trucks, getting them back up and running. I think we got the parts on order, so should be a good week. I don't have an employee of the week for last week, so would anybody like to nominate somebody else? I'll second that.
Yeah.
Why would you nominate Will?
Because he's real consistent. He's just low key because he's so quiet, but he's all the time doing something.
Good job.
Let's go.
I'll have
Yeah.
Robbie hook you up with a gift card when she's back. Proper footwear on job sites. Jill. We're to wear closed-toed shoes or boots, not tennis shoes. Tennis shoes basically the same thing as open-toed. Doesn't provide any protection. You've got a plan of the day, don't you?
I do. It's printed out on my desk. Let me run grab it. Anybody know what he is?
It's a snowball white puppy hydrangea.
Even cuter than that, it's a Bobo. This is a Bobo Hydrangea. He'll get about 3 to 4 foot tall and wide, so fits in nice areas, smaller areas. It is October and look at it. It's still going strong. So the blooms come out white, they start fading to this pink. It will drop its leaves at the first frost. But other than that, comes on strong, good color, small space.
RX bar. 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and no BS.
At our house, and I don't know if it worked or not. It didn't work last year.
Good morning, y'all. If not you, then who? If not now, then when?
Trying my hardest. I don't know, dude. I hope you're not still recording.